Have you ever wished to shed those stubborn pounds quickly, but felt overwhelmed by conflicting advice? Imagine feeling lighter, more energetic, and healthier in just 14 days. What if I told you that it's possible to lose up to 15 pounds in 2 weeks without resorting to extreme diets or grueling workouts? Stick around as we share 5 simple yet effective tips for healthy weight loss that could transform your body and boost your confidence. Why does this matter? In today's fast-paced world, many of us struggle with weight management. Whether it's for an upcoming event, beach season, or just a desire to feel better, giving yourself a fresh start is more relevant than ever. Weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. With the right strategies, you can achieve noticeable results while prioritizing your health. Let's jump into the first tip. Hydration is key. Drinking enough water can be a game changer for weight loss. Did you know that thirst is often mistaken for hunger? By staying hydrated, you can reduce unnecessary snacking and boost your metabolism. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and try starting off your meals with a glass of water. Now here's a question for you. Are you practicing mindful eating? Tip number 2 is all about awareness. Slow down and savor each bite. People who eat mindfully are more likely to recognize their hunger cues and know when they're full. Pay attention to what you're eating and how you feel. It might surprise you how many calories you can unintentionally cut simply by being more present at the dinner table. Moving on to our third tip, incorporate more protein. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It helps you feel fuller for longer and can increase your metabolism. Consider swapping out that sugary snack for a handful of nuts or Greek yogurt. A personal story. I once struggled with late-night cravings, but by keeping protein-rich foods handy, I was able to curb those unhealthy temptations. Now, are you engaging in regular physical activity? Here's tip 4. Find movement you enjoy. Exercise doesn't always have to mean hitting the gym. Dancing, hiking, or even brisk walking counts. The key is consistency and making it fun. Just 30 minutes a day can dramatically affect your weight loss journey and overall well-being. And finally, let's talk about sleep. Incredible as it sounds, getting enough rest could be your secret weapon. Lack of sleep can lead to weight gain by increasing hunger hormones. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap of the 5 tips. Hydration, mindful eating, incorporating more protein, finding enjoyable physical activities, and prioritizing sleep. Are you ready to jumpstart your weight loss journey? By implementing these simple strategies, you can not only aim to lose 15 pounds in 2 weeks, but also establish lasting habits that will benefit your health long after the scale stops moving. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Alert Remedies for more tips and advice on leading a healthier, happier life. Let's make this journey together.